Hello, hi, good morning, very good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Oliveboard. This is Aditya. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. Check कर लीजिए पहले पिक्चर क्वालिटी ठीक है, साउंड क्लियर है, so we can start the session immediately after that if everything is fine. चलिए, good morning, good morning, good morning, very good morning to all of you. साउंड क्लियर है, साउंड चेक करके बता दीजिएगा मुझे जरा. वो स्टूडियो सेटअप जो है और OBS स्टूडियो भी अपडेट हुआ है, तो दो तीन चीजों में चेंजेस हुए हैं. अभी भी कुछ लाइटिंग वगैरह फिक्स करना बचा हुआ है. गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, ऑल ऑफ यू, ऑल वेल, या ठीक है सारी चीजें. चलिए फिर स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं सेशन को. डिस्कशन रहेगा 30 अगस्त के करंट अफेयर्स के ऊपर. मतलब कि आपका अगस्त मंथ जो है वो अब आपका कंप्लीट हो रहा है. तो अगस्त मंथ इज गेटिंग ओवर फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स. आपके जो भी एग्जामिनेशन हैं प्री के, दे आर गोइंग टू गेट कंप्लीट वन बाय वन, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल बी मूविंग टू द सीजन ऑफ मेंस एंड देन इंटरव्यू. एंड आई नो दैट आफ्टर दैट यू रिक्वायर्ड आदित्य सर कि सर कहाँ है और जो मेंस की तैयारी है वो अच्छे से हो जाए, इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन हो जाए. सो विल बी डूइंग इट टुगेदर. ओके, चलिए. रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया अप्रूव्ड, न्यूज हाईलाइट देख लेते हैं आज के पहले क्विकली. रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया अप्रूव्ड SBI म्यूचुअल फंड टू एक्वायर 9.99% स्टेक इन करूर वेस्ट बैंक. इट इज गोइंग टू इंक्रीज और जंप. देयर विल बी अ बिग जंप इन करूर वेस्ट बैंक स्टॉक्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस न्यूज. अच्छा बढ़ जाएगा इनका स्टॉक, क्योंकि SBI जो है म्यूचुअल फंड को एक्वायर करने वाला सीधा 9.99% स्टेक. सो द डे SBI विल एक्वायर, same day stock prices will be very high. Securities and Exchange Board of India bar Anil Ambani and 24 other firms from the security market for the duration of 5 years. That you cannot trade in the security market, you cannot raise any money from the security market. And Reliance Housing Finance Limited loan scandal imposed 25 crore rupee fine for this purpose. तो SEBI ने हार्श और स्ट्रिक्ट डिसीजन लिए हैं अगेंस्ट Reliance Industries. NSE National Stock Exchange to file the fresh application with SEBI Securities and Exchange Board of India for the IPO approval. So NSE applying for the IPO from long back, but they are not yet came with the IPO. So initial public offering अभी तक NSE लेकर नहीं आया है. NSE same National Stock Exchange. So it's a stock exchange as well as a company. So now they want to list themselves as a company. Mr. Satish Kumar appointed as the chairman of Railway Board and CEO. So the new chairman of Railway Board have been appointed. Did you remember the name of who was the chairperson of Railway Board? Because there was a lady who was the chairperson of Railway Board till now, and she was the first chairman of Railway Board in the history of Indian Railway. Indian Railway की हिस्ट्री में पहली महिला अध्यक्ष हुआ करती थी, जो अभी तक लीड कर रही थी इंडियन रेलवे को. And now she will be replaced by Mr. Satish Kumar. So Satish Kumar sir is going to replace her. Jaya Verma ma'am, correct है. तो Jaya Verma ma'am जो है और she will be replaced now. क्या पूछना सर is going to be. अच्छा ठीक है. Bank of Baroda secure 5,000 crore rupee through 10-year infrastructure bond at 7.3% rate of interest. So recently, which bank have raised the money from the capital market or security market, that we are going to discuss. Apart from that, what is the advantage for a bank when they raise the money from the bond market by issuing the bonds? Why compared to deposit they are more beneficial for a bank? तो इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Important news है regarding the small saving schemes which grow at 13.8%. Maximum growth have been seen in Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana and Senior Citizen Saving Scheme. इन दोनों में सबसे ज्यादा growth देखी गई. And what are the current rate of interest? That is also important. What is the maturity period? What is the current rate of interest? Everything is very very important. तो इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. पर स्टार्ट करते हैं MCQ रिवीजन से. न्यूज नंबर 1 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फ्रॉम द MCQ रिवीजन इज Reserve Bank of India to launch ULI for frictionless flow of credit to small and rural borrower. What is ULI stands for? Unified Lending Interface, Universal Lending Interface, Unified Limit Interest, Unified Limit Interface, Unified Lending Information. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer क्या बन रहा है आपका? करेक्ट आंसर है यूनिफाइड लैंडिंग इंटरफेस. वेरी गुड, यूनिफाइड लैंडिंग इंटरफेस. What does new Trinity? What does the new Trinity, that is JAM, UPI and ULI, represents in India's digital infrastructure? So Reserve Bank Governor Shaktikanta Das sir have announced that new Trinity, that is called JAM, UPI and ULI, is going to change the digital infrastructure of India. So what it is? It is the combination of Jan Dhan, Aadhaar, mobile application, mobile, with unified payment interface and unified lending interface to streamline the financial services. Or it is a merger of Jan Dhan, Aadhaar, UPI and international financial standard, or it is a digital platform combining Jan Dhan, UPI, ULI for the government welfare program. So what it is? So again your answer is option number A. It is the combination of Jan Dhan, Aadhaar, mobile, unified interface एंड यूनिफाइड लैंडिंग इंटरफेस. सो इन सब के कॉम्बिनेशन को कहा गया है जेएम, यूपीआई एंड यूएलआई. ठीक है, काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है ये न्यूज. एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट कैटेगरी में डाल सकते हो आप. बोलते हैं ना एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट, एक होता है दैट इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड एक होता है नेसेसिटी, व्हिच इज नेसेसिटी ऑफ अ एग्जामिनेशन. सो दिस इज दैट टाइप ऑफ न्यूज. अकॉर्डिंग टू द एसबीआई इकोरैप रिपोर्ट released on 26th of August, what is the GDP prediction or projection for the quarter one of current financial year by the State Bank of India? So the prediction is between 7% to 7.1%. Reserve Bank of India predicted 7.1%. So it is approximately similar to the RBI prediction. So SBI Ecorep report का भी prediction quarter one का same है, 7 to 7.1%. GST taxpayer who do not furnish bank account detail with the GST authority will be barred from filing outward supply of GST 1 returns from which date? So GSTR 1 return they will not be able to fill unless they will not link their bank account with the GST portal. तो किस डेट से इसको बंद कर दिया जाएगा? It will not be implemented from which date? Correct answer is September 1st 2024 onwards. So it is going to be implemented from immediate next month, September 1st 2024 onwards. It will not be implemented. Where is the amendment to rule 10A approved by GST Council? So when is the amendment to rule 10A approved by GST Council? ये जो 10A वाला rule है, under which it is necessary to link the bank account with the GST portal, this rule was amended or this rule was approved by GST Council in July 2023. इसको अप्रूव किया था जुलाई 2023 में, last year. So in July 2023 this rule was amended and approved by the GST Council, implemented from September 1st 2024 onwards. But right, yeah, many books says Rapido becomes third, but you said 4. Whatever I said, don't worry, follow that one. If any data wrong with us, we always rectify it on the immediate next day. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं गलतियां नहीं करता. I'm not saying I don't do mistake. If I do mistake, we rectify it immediately on the next day. I have told you 4, so I have given you the list of 4. मैंने चारों के नाम भी बताए हैं आपको. Which 4 became the unicorns in India? तो वो मैंने नाम भी आपको बताए होंगे. ठीक है, ये देखिए नाम भी आ गया हमारे पास. कृतुम है, प्रीफियोस है, पोर्टर है, फोर्थ वन वाज रैपिडो. तो ये 4 के नाम हो गए आपके पास. कोई कंफ्यूजन की बात ही नहीं है यहाँ पर. ठीक है, डोंट वरी. नेक्स्ट है आपके पास, एट विच जना स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक, एट विच इवेंट जना स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक रिसीव्ड 4 award in the banking category? So it is second edition of ICC Emerging Asia Banking Conclave Award. So ICC Emerging Asia Banking Conclave Award, that is also 4th edition. Tagline है आपके पास, लिखो अपनी कहानी. 2018 bank was founded Bengaluru, Karnataka is the headquarter. Mr. Ajay Khanwal is the MD and CEO. Next है, the Ministry of Home Affairs have recently established 4 new districts in Union Territory of Ladakh. Which of the following is not the newly established district? इनमें से कौन से नए बने हुए डिस्ट्रिक्ट की लिस्ट में नहीं है? Recently, 5 new districts were formed by Ministry of Home Affairs in Ladakh. Why Ministry of Home Affairs? Because Ladakh is a union territory now without any state government. In Jammu Kashmir, soon elections will be conducted. There will be a state legislative assembly, but in Ladakh there will not be going to be any legislative assembly. It will be controlled directly by the Ministry of Home Affairs. So which of the two are, नहीं मैंने two गलत बोल दिया. Actually, out of 5, there are 2 districts which are wrongly named. ठीक है, तो हमारे जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स थे उनके नाम अगर आप देखो क्या क्या नाम है, दैट इज जंस्कर, द्रास, शाम, नुब्रा एंड चैंगथांग. सो दीज आर द 5 डिस्ट्रिक्ट. यहां पर ऑप्शन नंबर 3 एंड ऑप्शन नंबर 5, दीज आर द रॉन्ग ऑप्शंस. तो ये शाम तो करेक्ट है, 3 एंड 4 होगा ना. हाँ, 3 एंड 4 होगा. शाम तो करेक्ट है. So option number 3 and option number 4. Lubra is not that one. That is Nubra. So Nubra and Changtang. So these are the 5 districts. So now there will be total number of districts in Ladakh. It will be 7, previous 2. Now 5, total 7. Previous 2 districts were Leh and Kargil. And now 5 new districts have been formed. I hope the statements are clear, right? अरे स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक नहीं है, वो गलत रखा हुआ है जानबूझ के. चलो आगे मूव करें. Which state decided to implement unified pension scheme and announced by the union government when UPS will be officially implemented in India? तो 2 अलग अलग क्वेश्चन है. What is the name of first state in India to implement UPS? Second, UPS will be implemented in India from which date? UPS इंडिया में कब से इंप्लीमेंट होने वाला है? तो ये 2 क्वेश्चन हैं आपके पास. करेक्ट आंसर है महाराष्ट्र स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अनाउंस टू इंप्लीमेंट यूपीएस. यूपीएस विल बी इंप्लीमेंटेड इन इंडिया फ्रॉम 1st of April 2025 ऑनवर्ड्स. सो 1st of April 2025 से आपका यूपीएस इंप्लीमेंट हो जाएगा. डिटेल मैंने कल आपको बताया था. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ न्यू रिलीजियस सर्किट अनाउंस्ड बाय द राजस्थान चीफ मिनिस्टर भजन लाल शर्मा विच विल कनेक्ट कृष्णा बर्थ प्लेस विद उज्जैन इन मध्य प्रदेश? तो भजन लाल शर्मा जी राजस्थान के चीफ मिनिस्टर, इन्होंने कोलैबोरेट किया है विद द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश दैट वी कैन डेवलप वन सर्किट फ्रॉम द बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ श्री कृष्णा टिल उज्जैन विच इज द सिटी ऑफ महाकाल. तो महाकाल सिटी तक. दिस इज कॉल्ड श्री कृष्णा गमन पथ. इसको नाम दिया गया है श्री कृष्णा गमन पथ. Takbir Singh, a 5-year-old kid from Ropar, Punjab, had made history becoming the youngest Indian to climb which particular peak? What is the name of that peak which is the highest peak of Africa? आपको इतने सारे हिंट मिल गए हैं. So highest peak in Africa is Mount Kilimanjaro. So Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak of Africa. आते हैं होमवर्क के क्वेश्चन चेक कर लेते हैं पहले क्विकली, फिर जाएंगे न्यूज के तरफ. Mahila Samman Saving Certificate will be made available for the duration of 2 years. Current rate of interest for Mahila Samman Saving Certificate is 7.5%. तो 7.5% का rate of interest है Mahila Samman Saving Certificate पर. Consider the correct statement about Mahila Samman Saving Certificate. It provide 6% rate of interest. तो ये wrong हो गया आपका. Investment period is from 1st of April till 31st of March 2025. Interest payment which is earned will not be subjected to TDS if the interest amount does not more than 50,000 rupees. The statement number 2 is correct. First one is wrong. Third one is wrong. Up to 40,000 rupee amount is free from the TDS which is earned in the form of interest. 40,000 rupee तक का interest TDS free है, tax free है. Above the tax will be applicable. ठीक है, उसके ऊपर टैक्स लगेगा आपका. So the scheme was implemented on 1st of April 2023. It will be applicable till 31st of March 2025. 7.5% rate of interest. Only women are eligible to invest into this. Minimum investment is 1,000 rupee. Maximum investment limit is 2 lakh rupee. Tenure is 1 year. 1 year tenure है, but partial withdrawal is available up to 40% of corpus amount after 1 year. So after 1 year of maturity, up to 40% of total amount can be withdrawn. Consider the correct statement about Mahila Samman Saving Certificate. The new scheme have rate of interest of 7.5. Withdrawals are not allowed under this scheme. with the maximum limit up to 2 lakh rupee. Indian Bank became the first bank to implement Mahila Samman Saving Certificate. Statement number 1 is correct, second one is wrong, third one is wrong. Premature withdrawal is allowed up to 40%. Point number 3, it was BOI, Bank of India was the first bank in India to implement Mahila Samman Saving Certificate. This is very important. So BOI was the first bank in India to implement Mahila Samman Saving Certificate. ये हो गया आपके पास होमवर्क के क्वेश्चन. अमन शर्मा जी, सबा, सिमरन, जॉय, भारत, अतिरा, जग्गी दुर्गाराव जी, मानस, मनु, श्रद्धा, पंकज, रचना, दिव्या, विनय. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर आंसर. एक पूरे लिस्ट दे रहा हूं आपको क्वेश्चंस की with the one of the most important schemes in India related to the financial sector, that is Sukanya Samriddhi account. Try to find out the answers and put them. You have time till Monday morning. तो Monday को TNA होगा directly, right? Saturday, Sunday है. So I want you to find out the answers and put the answers properly. Sukanya Samriddhi account can be opened at the age or at the age up to which from the date of birth of girl child. Second question है, consider the statement which are not correct about Sukanya Samriddhi account. Options पढ़ लेना, 4 पॉइंटर्स हैं, आराम से आंसर लगाना. आरबीआई ग्रेड बी लेवल तक का क्वेश्चन बनाकर दे रहा हूं. एसबीआई पीओ, आरबीआई ग्रेड बी, आईबीपीएस पीओ लेवल क्वेश्चन इट इज. What is the maximum deposit per year allowed in Sukanya Samriddhi account? What is the maturity period of Sukanya Samriddhi account? Premature withdrawal allowed in the Sukanya Samriddhi account after the girl age attained what? Then identify the false statement in respect to Sukanya Samriddhi account. 6 question है, 6 question, and they will consider and cover each and every aspect regarding Sukanya Samriddhi account. I hope you guys are going to do that. ठीक है, कर लीजिएगा उतना पूरा. आगे चल रहा हूं मैं न्यूज के तरफ. Reserve Bank of India approved SBI Mutual Fund to acquire up to 9.99% stake in Karur Vysya Bank. तो SBI Mutual Fund और SBI Mutual Fund को अलाउ किया Reserve Bank of India ने that they can acquire 9.99% stake in Karur Vysya Bank. Karur Vysya Bank is a private bank in India. Approval was communicated through the letter on 23rd of August in line with the regulation 30 of Securities and Exchange Board of India. Because it is a bank, this is a mutual fund company. SBI Mutual Fund is a AMC. AMCs need approval from RBI as well, and because they want to acquire, so they need approval from SEBI also. SEBI have approved it earlier, and now the approval was pending was from Reserve Bank of India, which is now approved. So now RBI is going to, now SBI Mutual Fund is going to acquire after the approval from Reserve Bank of India 9.99% in Karur Vysya Bank. ठीक है? So there is a rule according to Banking Regulation Act 1949. So SBI Mutual Fund is going to secure good amount of stake in Karur Vysya Bank. This bank headquarter located in Karur. 1916 it was founded. Mr. B. Ramesh Babu is the CEO. Smart way to bank is the tagline. तो important question है, काफी important question है. Securities and Exchange Board of India bars means suspended Mr. Anil Ambani and 24 other investors from the security market for the duration of 5 years over Reliance Housing Finance Limited loan scandal, imposing 25 crore rupee fine as well. 25 करोड़ का फाइन भी इंपोज किया है. So Reliance Home Finance Limited, this company was illegally diverting the fund amount for the which raises to significant losses and raise concern among the investors. So these what these companies do, Reliance, what such type of housing finance limited companies do, they raise money from the market. वो fund raise करते हैं by issuing bonds, by accepting deposits, and after that this amount they provide in the form of loan. If they are diverting the loan for unnecessary purpose or for some other purpose, which is a type of against the guidelines of Reserve Bank of India. Lending should be transparent, lending should be provided to the customer which have capacity to repay it back, so the money of investors should be safe. Why we do deposit money in bank? हम पैसे क्यों जमा करते हैं बैंक में? 2 reasons. 1, safety. 2, interest we can earn. If bank is diverting our money in such a way that this money is never going to come back to bank, so bank will not be able to return our money back, right? Even in the banking industry, we have DICGC to cover up to 5 lakh rupee. But in such NBFC, there is no DICGC. NBFCs में कोई DICGC नहीं होता, correct है? That is why it is risky in such companies to deposit money like this one, Reliance Home Finance Limited, if they are diverting the fund of the investors. अगर वो investors का fund divert कर रहे हैं. So because of that, Securities and Exchange Board of India have imposed 5-year ban and 25 crore rupee fine. 25 करोड़ का फाइन भी इंपोज किया है मिस्टर अनिल अंबानी के ऊपर, ठीक है? ये हो गया फाइन आपका. 5 ईयर का बैन भी है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, अमित बापना, who was the chief financial officer of the same company, on this person also 27 crore rupee fine imposed. इनके ऊपर 27 करोड़ का फाइन लगाया है कि भाई कर क्या रहे थे आप? You was the chief financial officer of the company, you are responsible for it. तो ये फाइन इंपोज हुए. सेबी, सिक्योरिटीज एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया, फाउंडेड इन द ईयर 1998 and became the autonomous body in the year 1992 according to the SEBI Act 1992. मुंबई महाराष्ट्र हेडक्वार्टर है. Madhvi Buch ma'am is the current chairperson. NSE, National Stock Exchange, one of the biggest stock exchange in India. NSE applied for IPO again. Question in the examination is, which of the following stock exchange recently applied for IPO? So it's a stock exchange, but it will be listed as a company now in the stock market itself. तो इन्होंने पहले भी कई बार अप्लाई किया हुआ है. सो एनएसई फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम अप्लाई फॉर आईपीओ इन द ईयर 2016, बट एप्लीकेशन वाज रिटर्न इन द ईयर 2019, and after that again they applied in the year 2022, June 2022, but at that time also IPO was not announced. So now NSE want to come with the fund offer, that is initial public offering. IPO लेकर आना चाहता है NSE. They will be listing up their NSE IPO will be listed very soon. Currently market capitalization of NSE is around 3.2 trillion, 3.2 lakh crore in July 2024. Still it is offline company. Still the stocks are offline. Online नहीं है अभी available. अभी offline है, online it will be available soon once the IPO will be launched. NSE was founded in the year 1992. Girish Chandra Chaturvedi sir is the chairperson. Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan is MD and CEO, Mumbai Maharashtra headquarter. आते हैं बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल न्यूज की तरफ. स्मॉल सेविंग स्कीम्स इन इंडिया, लंबा लिस्ट है स्मॉल सेविंग स्कीम्स का. सुकन्या समृद्धि अकाउंट स्कीम, देन योर सीनियर सिटीजन सेविंग स्कीम, ये हो गया. उसके बाद आपके पास है किसान विकास पत्र, नेशनल सेविंग सर्टिफिकेट, राइट. ये सब आपके आ जाएंगे किसमें? स्मॉल सेविंग स्कीम्स इन इंडिया. Today morning in homework I have given you one Sukanya Samriddhi account. One by one will cover all these schemes in next 1 week. अगले एक हफ्ते में पूरी schemes करवा दूंगा आपकी ये वाली complete. So today there is a news is small saving scheme have shown a growth of 13.8% driven by Sukanya Samriddhi account and senior citizen saving scheme, because the maximum growth have been seen in these two schemes. Sukanya Samriddhi account growth was 41%. Sukanya Samriddhi account investment increased by 41% from 77,000 crore in Feb 23 to 1 lakh crore rupee in Feb 24. In last 1 year, there was a growth of 41% in Sukanya Samriddhi account. While senior citizen saving scheme have growth of 28%, 1.3 lakh crore rupee in Feb 23 to 1.7 lakh crore in Feb 24. ऐसा क्यों है कि इन दोनों स्कीम्स में ही देखा गया सबसे ज्यादा ग्रोथ? रीजन पता चलेगा आपको. सो टोटल ग्रोथ इन अमंग ऑल द गवर्नमेंट सेविंग स्कीम इज 13.8%. व्हाट वाज द रीजन ऑफ ग्रोथ? ग्रोथ का कारण क्या था पर्टिकुलरली इन दीज टू स्कीम? So the reason of growth particularly in these two schemes was the highest rate of interest. At present in senior citizen saving scheme there is a 8.2% rate of interest which is applicable. Similarly in Sukanya Samriddhi account 8.2% rate of interest is applicable. So because of the highest rate of interest, investment increased in these two schemes. So currently what are the important rate of interest we should remember? Kisan Vikas Patra 7.5%. After that, नेशनल सेविंग सर्टिफिकेट 7.7%, सीनियर सिटीजन 8.2, पब्लिक प्रोविडेंट फंड दैट इज पीपीएफ 7.1%, सुकन्या समृद्धि अकाउंट 8.2%। तो ये आपको रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट याद रखने इंपॉर्टेंट गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स के। आगे मूव करते हैं। एंड महिला सम्मान सेविंग सर्टिफिकेट आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू 7.5% उसका रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है। क्लियर है? यस। चलिए आगे मूव करें। नेक्स्ट है Amazon Pay UPI reaches a significant milestone surpassing 10 million customers। 10 मिलियन कस्टमर्स, सॉरी 100 मिलियन कस्टमर्स जो है, 10 मिलियन बोल दिया मैंने, 100 मिलियन कस्टमर्स जो है वो Amazon Pay UPI क्रॉस कर चुका है ऑन द ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म। So recently there was a survey that was conducted. Survey name was How Urban India Pays. This was the name of survey. How Urban India Pays. Survey was conducted by Kearney India and Amazon Pay UPI is the preferred. Report by Kearney India and Amazon Pay UPI is preferred payment method for 53% online purchases, 25% offline. In February 2024, Amazon Pay also received approval from Reserve Bank of India to act as a payment aggregator. तो इनको PAO वाला अप्रूवल ऑलरेडी मिल गया, पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर ऑनलाइन वाला अप्रूवल ऑलरेडी मिल गया किसको? Amazon Pay को। So Amazon Pay recently crossed 100 million customers. That is what the achievement of Amazon Pay recently. Bank of Baroda secure 5,000 crore rupee through 10-year infrastructure bond. So I was telling you what is the advantage of raising the money from bond instead of deposit. On every deposit, if a bank is accepting 100 rupee deposit, can they provide 100 rupee in the market on loan? अगर 100 रुपीज का डिपॉजिट लिया है बैंक ने, तो क्या ये 100 रुपी मार्केट में बैंक लोन पर दे सकते हैं? Is it possible? Answer is no. Why? Bank need to maintain what? CRR. Bank need to maintain what? SLR. पहले डिपॉजिट्स पर CRR मेंटेन होगा, SLR मेंटेन होगा. That is why this term is called what? It is called NDTL, Net Demand Time Liability. While after removing CRR, SLR, whatever the remaining amount, that is called ANBC, Adjusted Net Bank Credit. So ANBC is the total lending capacity of bank, which is always lower than the NDTL of bank. Why? Because bank need to maintain CRR and SLR. Now the relaxation is this CRR SLR concept is not applicable on what? On such type of infrastructure bond. तो ऐसे बॉन्ड अमाउंट पर CRR SLR मेंटेन नहीं करना होता. So if bank raise 5,000 crore rupee from market by issuing the bond, total 5,000 crore bank can lend in the market on the loan. तो बैंक उसको lend कर देगा मार्केट में लोन पर. समझ रहे मेरा पॉइंट क्या है? ये इंपॉर्टेंट है यहाँ पर, ये इजी थिंग है. So state owned Bank of Baroda recently raised 5,000 crore rupee through 10-year infrastructure bond at the coupon rate of 7.3%. कूपन रेट क्या है इसका? 7.3% मींस इंटरेस्ट रेट है. AAA रेटिंग है बाय क्रिशिल, मींस हैवी रेटिंग है, गुड रेटिंग है, बढ़िया है. एंड द 5,000 करोड़ वाज इश्यूज. बेस इश्यू साइज वाज 2,000 करोड़. बेस इश्यू साइज वाज 2,000 करोड़ with green shoe option of 3,000 crore rupee. With green shoe option of 3,000 crore rupee. What is the meaning of green shoe option? Green shoe option is the capacity to raise more in case of high demand. अगर डिमांड ज्यादा है उस केस में हम एडिशनल रेज करेंगे. That capacity is called green shoe option. So actual plan was 2,000 crore only कि भाई हम 2,000 करोड़ रेज करेंगे. What if more customers want to invest money, then we have additional capacity of 3,000 crore. उसके बाद हम 3,000 करोड़ डायरेक्टली जंप करेंगे. So 2 plus 3 total 5,000 crore rupee raised by Bank of Baroda recently. Point clear है? Regulatory exemption. Fund raised under the infrastructure bond are exempted from maintenance of SLR and CRR. इसमें CRR SLR मेंटेन नहीं करना पड़ता. बैंक ऑफ बड़ोदरा फाउंडेड इन द ईयर 1908. बड़ोदरा गुजरात हेडक्वार्टर है. देवदत्त चंद इज MD CEO. इंडियाज इंटरनेशनल बैंक इज टैगलाइन. SBI ने रेज किया था 20,000 करोड़ 15-year इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बॉन्ड. कैनरा बैंक रेज 10,000 करोड़ रुपी. बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने किया रेज 5,000 करोड़. Bank of Maharashtra rate 811 crore rupee 10-year infrastructure bond. तो ये हो गया अभी recent के point. ESEF Small Finance Bank recently launched Inori Rupee Platinum Credit Card. Inori Platinum Card. So what is the meaning of Inori? Inori derived from the Japanese word called wish. Wish, W-I-S-H, wish, wishing. So Inori is the Japanese word which is taken by ESEF Small Finance Bank, and after that they have launched Inori Platinum Rupee Credit Card Facility. So question mostly in the examination will be, what is the name of the credit card launched by ESEF recently, or Inori Platinum Credit Card launched by which bank? So ESEF Small Finance Bank will be the answer. Credit card holders will be enjoy multiple cashback offer, monthly transaction, comprehensive insurance coverage up to 2 lakh rupees. So multiple options are available on this credit card facility. ESEF Small Finance Bank is an Indian bank with the headquarter located in Thrissur, Kerala. तो इनका headquarter है Thrissur, Kerala में. Founded in the year 2017. P.R. Ravi Mohan is the chairperson. Mr. K. Paul Thomas is the CEO. Joy of Banking is the tagline. Joy of Banking tagline है. इसके पहले लॉन्च कर चुके हैं रेनबो सेविंग अकाउंट फैसिलिटी स्पेशली फॉर द ट्रांसजेंडर कम्युनिटी. सो रेनबो सेविंग अकाउंट फैसिलिटी वाज अनदर इनिशिएटिव दैट वाज लॉन्च्ड बाय ईसेफ स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक. आते हैं अपॉइंटमेंट में. Subhashri ma'am appointed as the MD and CEO of Shriram Capital. Shriram Capital is one of the biggest NBFC non-bank financial company in India. So this financial company will have now the new CEO name is Subhashri ma'am. So Subhashri ma'am appointed as the new MD and CEO of Shriram Capital. Another very important appointment is Mr. Satish Kumar appointed as the chairman of Railway Board in place of Jaya Verma Sinha ma'am. So Jaya Verma Sinha ma'am की जगह पर अपॉइंट हुए रेलवे बोर्ड के चेयरपर्सन मिस्टर सतीश कुमार. Recently there were lots of news regarding the accident in the railway boards in the Indian Railway and all. Maybe this is the administration change because of that. The decision mark as a new chapter in the administration. World largest railway network. तो इंडिया जो इंडियन रेलवे द लार्जेस्ट रेलवे नेटवर्क इन द वर्ल्ड. सो अपॉइंटमेंट कमेटी ऑफ कैबिनेट अप्रूव द चेंज इन द लीडरशिप एट द हाईएस्ट लेवल. तो अभी इनका टेन्योर वगैरह कोई कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ था, चेंजेस किए गए हैं यहां पर बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. सो मिस्टर सतीश कुमार अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू चेयरमैन ऑफ रेलवे बोर्ड. इंडियन रेलवे वॉज नेशनलाइज्ड इन द ईयर 1951. Toilets were introduced in the Indian Railway in the year 1909. Indian Railway started computerizing in New Delhi from the year 1986. Indian Railway first passenger train was conducted on 16th of April 1853. So 16th of April 1853 was the date when the first passenger train इन इंडिया रन बिटवीन मुंबई टू थाने. मुंबई से थाने के बीच में ये ट्रेन आपकी रन की थी एट द ट्रैक ऑफ 34 किलोमीटर विद द इंजन्स कॉल्ड साहिब सिंध एंड सुल्तान. तो 3 इंजन्स के सपोर्ट से इसको रन किया गया था. साहिब सिंध एंड सुल्तान वर द नेम ऑफ द इंजन्स. चलिए ये हो गया पॉइंट. एक और अपॉइंटमेंट है. एप्पल अपॉइंटेड इंडियन ओरिजिन इंजीनियर केविन पारेख एज द न्यू चीफ फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर. सो एप्पल INC or the biggest mobile manufacturer in the world in terms of market valuation, established in the year 1976, California, USA. CEO is Mr. Tim Cook. This company recently announced Kevin Parekh as the chief financial officer. So Indian origin है, appoint हुए chief financial officer. Parekh will be taking the position from 1st of January 2025 onwards. So going to be very important point. जैसे आप लोगों ने सुंदर पिछे ही याद रखा हुआ है, वैसे इनका नाम भी याद रखना पड़ेगा. Ease My Trip appointed Bollywood star Jacqueline Fernandez as the brand ambassador recently. So strategic partnership is a part of long-term strategy to boost the brand presence and attract the new customer. Jacqueline Fernandez is going to be the new brand ambassador for easemytrip.com. आते हैं नेशनल इंटरनेशनल स्टेडिंग न्यूज कैटेगरी में. तेलंगाना टू होस्ट फर्स्ट Global AI Summit unveiled AI City plan recently. Telangana government is going to set up AI, artificial intelligence city in India. It will be located in Murcherela. Murcherela at 200 crore rupee AICT will be set up by Telangana. So it is going to be first. Telangana is going to set up first global AI summit on 5th to 6th of September 2024 and going to set up the first AI city in India. Uttar Pradesh government target 50,000 crore farm export with the cluster based export. Farm export, that is agriculture export in term of fruits, vegetable, etc. Uttar Pradesh government to boost the export 50,000 crore rupees in the next 3 to 4 years. Currently the export is around 20,000 crore. इनको increase करना है 20,000 crore to 50,000 crore rupee. So currently the state annual farm export stand at 20,000 crore. They want to increase from 20 to 50,000 crore. State will be developing export oriented agriculture and horticulture clusters. So these clusters will collect the vegetable, fruits from the farmers and that will be exported, and that will be the responsibility of the state government clusters. So clusters which will be developed by the state government. Plan involve leveraging center 1,800 crore rupee clean plant program to improve the horticulture of crops like mangoes, non-basmati rice, Indian gooseberry, that is amla, and bananas. तो इन सब पर काम किया जाएगा. ठीक है. In 2022-23, India produced 355 million ton of horticulture crop with the fresh fruit vegetable valued around 15,000 crore rupee. 15,000 crore rupee इसका वैल्यू था in 2023-22. Union Minister of Agriculture Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan plan to establish 100 export oriented horticulture cluster in the next 5 years. तो हमारे जो एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर है इनका टारगेट क्या है? 100 such clusters across India by the next 5 years. अगले 5 सालों में 100 ऐसे क्लस्टर्स बनाने का इनका टारगेट है. नेक्स्ट है, यूनियन कैबिनेट अप्रूव्ड रोलिंग आउट प्राइवेट एफएम रेडियो टू 234 uncovered new cities and towns. So in the 234 cities, radio channels are not available at the city level. City level radio channels available नहीं है. So government of India is going to conduct third batch of e-auction facility for 730 channels, out of which 230 channels will be in the new cities. The cities where the radio channels are not available. Repeating again, data is important. 730 new channels will be started in India, radio channels, out of which 234 radio channels will be in the cities where the radio channels are not available at present. Estimated the reserve price of 784 crore rupee under the private FM radio policy 3. Now there is an important point. Union cabinet approved the proposal of annual license fee of FM channel as 4% of gross revenue, not net, gross revenue, including your salaries and all, gross revenue, excluding GST. पहले GST दो, GST पे करो separately, whatever your gross revenue, from the gross revenue 4% are. From remaining you can manage your other expenditure. So it is like 18% GST, 4%. So out of your total business 22% government will take. 22% government ले लेगी. बाकी बचे हुए में से आप अपना मैनेज करो. सैलरी भी हो गया, business expansion, your profit, and over that also need to pay what? Tax. तो उसके ऊपर भी लगेगा. Salaries will be paid, income tax will be applicable. Whatever the net profit will be remaining on that, corporate tax will be applicable. तो फिर लास्ट में corporate tax लगेगा. तो भाई टैक्स बहुत ज्यादा है. ठीक है, तो ये पॉइंट है. बट गवर्नमेंट का न्यूज ये है कि 234 न्यू चैनल्स विल बी स्टार्टेड इन द सिटीज वेयर द चैनल्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल एट प्रेजेंट. एक लास्ट न्यूज है, एक दो न्यूज और है. रिलायंस AGM meeting was conducted in 2024. Mukesh Ambani unveiled Jio brand AI suite. अभी recently 47th annual general meeting of Reliance Industries was conducted under the chairmanship of Mr. Mukesh Ambani. Groundbreaking development in the field of artificial intelligence. Company telecom arm Reliance Jio is set to launch comprehensive artificial tool called Jio Brain. एक नया टूल लॉन्च करने वाले हैं आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस टेक्नोलॉजी पर बेस्ड, that is called GeoBrain. GeoBrain is going to give the complete solution for a business cycle. That you are running the business, you need any type of support system from the business, buy GeoBrain and take the support from it. So it will be providing you complete artificial intelligence life cycle, offering the range of tools, application for the business and enterprises. That will be called GeoBrain. तो GeoBrain को भी recently announce किया है. एक और न्यूज है, Competition Commission of India approved the combination of Reliance Industries Limited, Viacom 18, Digital India 18 Limited, all these companies together. Star also. Why? There was a collaboration between two companies. हमने एक न्यूज पढ़ा था. There is a merger of Reliance and Disney Entertainment. So Reliance and Disney will have a merger deal of $8.5 billion or approximately 70,000 crore rupee, which is going to make India's largest entertainment industry. So after this merger will be the result of creation of India's largest entertainment company, broadcasting 120 TV channels, 2 streaming services. It is going to be the merger of Reliance is going to hold 63% in combined, remaining 36% will belong to Walt Disney. तो Walt Disney के पास होगा 36%. Because of that, so many entities are getting merged. So whatever the entities comes under Disney and whatever the entities comes under Reliance, they are going to get merged together. वो सब merge होने जा रहे हैं. Last news है, National Sports Day 2024 observed on 29th of August. It is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dhyan Chand sir. Dhyan Chand was the legend in the India and Indian international hockey. Major Dhyan Chand, a field hockey player recognized as the greatest ever field hockey player in India as well as in the world. India won the field hockey event 7 times in the 8 Olympics from 1928 to 1964. Magician भी कहा जाता था इनको. So National Sports Day that is established in the year 2012. 2012 में इसकी शुरुआत की गई थी नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे की. That is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand. 29th of August को celebrate किया जाता है. So this is done from my side, guys. Please like the session, subscribe the channel if you're watching the session for the first time. I'll be meeting you back now on the Monday morning, 8 a.m. same place, same time. Till that time, keep watching Oliveboard. Take care. Jai Hind.